Parched. Give me a drink. I am very thirsty. Give me a drink. I am parched. Furious. He was very angry at his brother. He was furious at his brother. Distressed. I was very worried about my exam results. I was distressed about my exam results. Gifted. My brother is very talented painter. My brother is a gifted painter. Thrilled. I was very excited about the trip. I was thrilled about the trip. Hushed. The library was very quiet. The library was hushed. Sweltering. During the heat wave, it was very hot outside. During the heat wave, it was sweltering outside. Enormous. The tree was very big. The tree was enormous. Timid. The child was very shy at the party. The child was timid at the party. Tedious. It was a very boring lecture. It was a tedious lecture. Hectic. The restaurant was very busy during lunchtime. The restaurant was hectic during lunchtime. Astonished. She was very surprised by the unexpected gift. She was astonished by the unexpected gift. Heartbroken. I was very sad after the breakup. I was heartbroken after the breakup. Stunning. She is very beautiful. She is stunning. Disheveled. The kitchen was very messy after the party. The kitchen was disheveled after the party. Effortlessly. He solved that problem very easily. He solved that problem effortlessly. Brief. The interview was very short, lasting only 10 minutes. The interview was brief, lasting only 10 minutes. Tough. The exam questions were very hard to answer. The exam questions were tough to answer. Delicious. The food at the restaurant was very tasty. The food at the restaurant was delicious. Affluent. The very rich family donated a large sum to the charity. The affluent family donated a large sum to the charity. Impoverished. The very poor area lacked basic amenities and services. The impoverished area lacked basic amenities and services.